How to stop Android phone lag without reset. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can stop Android lag without a reset. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release our new video. Now, without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. So to stop Android lag without a reset, focus on freeing up storage, closing background apps, clearing out cache, updating software, and reducing animation. So we'll go through each of that. First, uninstall unused apps. So what we'll do is we'll head over to our settings for that. Find the apps option, tap on apps. On your apps, you can tap on see all apps. And from here, you'll find all the apps that you have downloaded. So you can find the apps that you don't use. So remove heavy or rarely used apps that hog up space and also use resources. So let's say that I have this game right here. I'll open this up and simply tap on the uninstall button. Confirm this, and this will free up a lot of storage for me. You do that for multiple different apps and remove unnecessary apps from here. After you've done that, you can also go to your Google Play Store and use the Manage App and Devices feature. For that, tap on your profile icon on the top right. Tap on Manage Apps and Device. From here, you can find the devices, or the apps that take up your storage. Tap on Manage. And from here, you can find all the apps. So you can find the unnecessary or unused apps. You can also filter out by space and remove them. And yeah, that's how you uninstall unused apps. Also, you can clear out background apps by simply swiping up from the bottom. So let's say there are multiple apps opened. Swipe up and remove from the background. Now clear out app cache. Go to your settings, find apps, and find the app that you don't use much but is taking up a lot of system cache. Head over to storage and cache and clear the cache. And doing this will free up a lot of storage. Update your storage as well, make sure it is up to date to the latest version, and you're good. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.